Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragnya and today's video is going to be a review of Elle lipsticks. These are Elle Color Pops matte lipsticks and these retails for 75 rupees each. So in this video I will be sharing 4 shades of Elle matte lipsticks. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So these lipsticks are really very pocket friendly and this is the best lipsticks for the beginners in my opinion. I have used these lipsticks a lot. I also love lipsticks from Lakme and Maybelline and Color Bar, but these are really very cheap and pocket friendly and these are worth buying, guys. At 75 rupees you are getting a matte lipsticks and which is very nice. So the first lipstick is in the shade Deep Pink and this is a beautiful pink, guys. At 75 rupees you are getting so much color options. I mean, it's like awesome. This is quite similar to the shade of Maybelline Flaming Fuchsia. The next one is in the shade Grape Riot and this is a dark purplish color. I am very bad at explaining colors, guys. You just see the colors. And the third one is Rose Day. This is a pink and reddish kind of a color. I mean in the middle of pink and red. Just see how beautiful the colors are. These colors will go with every type of skin tone, guys. And the fourth one and the last one is Berry Bestie. This is a mauve color or purple color, you can say. I just love all the 4 shades, guys. And if you like to buy any of these lipsticks, I will be sharing all the links in the description box below. So please go check it out from there. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let me know in the comment section below how much you are liking this video. And that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time, stay tuned, stay happy. Bye bye.